What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeff. I'm the owner of RDR Gear here in Salt Lake City, Utah. If it's your first time here, you don't know who we are or what we do, let me take a moment to share with you some of the things that we're known for. Number one, our soft goods. We specialize in belts, battle belts, two-piece belts, EDC belts, all kinds of belts. We also offer our own in-house made plate carrier, placard, chest rigs, med kits, a full line of professional grade canine gear, and most importantly, our Safari line holster mods and holster wraps. If you have questions about any of the products we offer, you can find them on our website at rdrgear.com. You can also email us about any orders you might have already placed or looking to place at info@rdrholsters.com, and of course our Facebook and Instagram, both where you can kind of leave messages and see things we post and little one-off things that I do here and there. So with all that housekeeping out of the way, let's talk Taurus. Taurus is another, if you've seen any of our other videos on Taurus products, you know that Taurus has made great leaps and bounds in regards to rebranding and redirecting the company from the Miami days to their new facility in Georgia with new technology, new pistol designs, new pistol offerings, all that stuff. The new GX series has been phenomenal. We already did a GX4 review on the non-optics ready pistol. This one's the new T.O.R.O, which is optics ready, which is a subcompact 9mm 13 round carry gun. This gun here is a very well built pistol. It shoots great. It's got a little bit of juice, but with the 13 round magazine here, extended base plate, this fits my hand perfectly. This is a great gun for me for my grab and go. I have a little fanny pack that we offer here, our AMP med kit. It just sits inside a little elastic holster, and it's a perfect setup just for me to go run to the store real quick, come back, or take the dogs for a walk. This has been a phenomenal pistol to carry. The footprint is the Hollow Sun style, the micro red dots. This is the 407K. It will fit a wide variety of these micro dots. You don't need suppressor height sights. The cut is deep enough to where your front sight co-witnesses through your rear, and everything is set there. 3-dot white sight, or excuse me, front dot white sight, black dot rear. Collar consideration in the front. One 13-round capacity magazine, one 10-round capacity magazine, giving you a total of 11. Head has two little palm swell adapters here. You pop the quarter pin and add whichever one fits your hand the best. The texturing on the grip is actually pretty well done. It's all in the right places. It has some thumb texturing here on each side for that thumb support to find that little texture on that left side support hand. Overall, gun is great. Trigger is actually very good on this gun. I was thoroughly impressed. The flat face trigger reset is clean as well, and it shoots very nicely. And it is very affordable in what you're getting in an optics ready 13 round capacity 9mm micro carry gun. A lot of people out there, I'd rather you have a gun than not have a gun, right? So if you're budget restricted, or maybe you just don't have all the money to go something else, and this gun will compete with the 365s, the Glock 43s, 43Xs. There's a lot of out there. This is a contender with all of them. Don't let the Taurus of old fool you for the Taurus of new. The GX series is a phenomenal line of pistols, doing very, very good things with this trigger design as well. I think you'd be very happy looking at this as your maybe either a first-time carry gun or looking for some kind of a grab-and-go gun. I would not even hesitate taking a look at the GX4 T.O.R.O. Optics ready model. It is quite the little package here. What else did I miss on you guys here? The trigger, man, I really impressed this trigger. I think you hit the hard wall. The hard wall is there, a little bit more wall, trigger breaks. It's a flat face kind of agency-ish design. So when you touch on this trigger, it actually is very easy to break straight to the rear. So I don't think you'll have any complaints with that. The Hollow Sun 407, 507K series dots are my go-to for the little dots. You're good to go on both. Very clean, very crisp dot for a carry gun. I'm not for sure what accessories are out there for this one. I'm using an elastic nylon, just generic holster that's Velcro backed into the fanny pack, and that's what this gun is for primarily. So you could use any kind of a generic-ish holster for into the waistband for any females out there who wanted to carry a small gun. It's not very heavy at all, and with the flush fit magazine, you get a very compact setup. I don't think you have any problems whatsoever with a small compact frame. And if your pinky doesn't sit quite nicely, just roll this pinky over like so, and you get your two-handed pistol grip. You'll notice the pinky won't even bother you at that point in time. So as always, we want to thank Taurus for sending this pistol out to us for review. They've been a great support of the channel. We got a couple other Taurus pistols coming up. And for everybody at home, take a look at Taurus. There's a lot of great things coming from them. There's a full rebranding of the product lines, and you can find all the information at their website. As always, guys, we post 2 to 3 videos every week on get a remanufacture, get a resell, get a review. Until next time, be well, take care.